Assalamu alaikum. Today Friday 30th April 2021, 17 Ramzanul Mubarak 1442 Hijri. Welcome to Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. I am Sayyid Zulfikar Ahmad. Let us start with Hadith Sharif. हज़रत अबू दरदा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु से रिवायत है, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, अल्लाह ताला फहश बकने वाले बेहुदों को अपना दुश्मन समझता है. एंड सियासत रैपिड इन शॉर्ट्स. With the night curfew imposed by the Telangana government to effectively control rising COVID-19 cases in the state ending on Friday, April 30, speculations are on the rise that a lockdown could be imposed. Night curfew triggers fall in chicken prices in Hyderabad. Drive-through COVID-19 testing facility opened in Hyderabad. Telangana High Court seeks to know state government plans regarding night curfew after Friday. Hyderabad, no social distancing, long queues at vaccine centers scare citizens. Polling for 5 municipalities and 2 municipal corporations begin in Telangana. After Madras High Court murder charges comment over rallies, EC seeks to stop media from reporting judges' oral comments. PM Modi held 66 official COVID-19 related engagements since March 2021, highest in April 2021. Operations of Oxygen Express trains expanded to Haryana and Telangana. First of several emergencies COVID-19 relief shipments from US arrived in New Delhi. Country administered over 15.21 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine in the country so far. Deeply appreciate gift. India expresses gratitude after receiving first consignments of US COVID aid. Rip Soli Sorabji. President Ram Nath Kovind, PM Narendra Modi paid tributes to noted jurist. Do not queue up outside COVID-19 vaccination centers tomorrow. Stock will arrive in 1-2 days. Kejriwal. Condolences to those who are losing their loved ones due to COVID-19. Rahul Gandhi. Senior journalist and news anchor Rohit Sardana passes away on Friday due to heart attack after testing positive of coronavirus. Vaccinations for those aged 18 to 45 years in Karnataka will not start on May 1st. UN stands ready to step up support to India. UN Chief Guterres on horrific COVID outbreak. Biden administration's working to expand oxygen supply chain in India. US aid official. The photographs of President Joe Biden stopping on his way to pick up a wild flower for his wife Jill Biden surfaced on Thursday, April 29. 44 people crushed to death in stampede at pilgrimage site in Israel. 300 oxygen concentrators arriving in Delhi from Hong Kong. Everything under control. Ranbir shifted to ICU post-COVID result. World Test Championship finals tickets to be allocated through ballot process. See you next Friday. Till then, Allah Hafiz.